friends and families. Thanks for joining us for part 1 of our math lesson. For part 1 of our math lesson, we are going to practice counting on. Do you know what it means to count on? That's right, when we count on, we can start at a certain number and we count from that number until we get to the number that we want to reach. So this can be tricky because when we count on, we don't always start at 0 and we don't always start at 1. We can start at another number such as 5, 7, 100. So knowing the order of numbers can really help us count on. So we are going to use the skill of counting on to practice counting on from different numbers, drawing number bonds, and writing number sentences. So go ahead and put your finger on number 1 on our worksheet up here. Right, here's number 1. Let's read our directions. It says circle 6. Great, so let's go ahead and circle 6 smiley faces together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. So I'm going to draw a circle around these 6 smiley faces. Now let's read the other part of the direction. How many more does 6 need to make 8? So we are going to practice counting on from 6 until we get to 8. So we're going to punch the air, say 6. Now let's count on until we get to 8. 7, 8. How many did we have to count on to get to 8? That's right, we had to count on 1 time, 2 times. So what number should go in this box right here? That's right, the number 2 should go in this box right here. Let's check our answer to see if it makes sense. Hold up 6 fingers. Now hold up 2. Let's count all of our fingers to make sure we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that the same as this number right here? It is, you're right. So our number bond makes sense. Now, let's practice writing some addition sentences. Blank plus blank gets you to 8. What 2 numbers should we use? That's right, 6 plus 2, and we saw that that equals 8. Did you know that there's another way we can write the same number sentence? Those are all great ideas. We can just swipe the places of these 2 numbers. So now it will look like this. 2 plus 6. And that's called the commutative property. That's just a really fancy name. But since you're all ready for college, I thought I'd share that with you. So that means that when we have an addition sentence, we can write the numbers this way or this way. Unfortunately, it doesn't always work for subtraction, but we'll get there. All right, now put your finger on number 2. Let's read what it says. Circle 5. Great, let's count on 5 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to draw a big circle around these 5 clouds. Now let's read the question. How many more does 5 need to make 8? Oh man, they didn't give us an extra number this time. So we're going to write the number in this box based on how many we circled. How many did we draw in the big blue circle? That's right, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 goes in this box right here. Now we want to count on from 5 until we get to 8. So we're going to punch the air, say 5, 6, 7, 8. How many more did we count to get to 8? That's right, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the number 3 should go in this box right here. because we know that 5 and 3 together make 8. Let's double check that just to be sure. Hold up 5 fingers. Now hold up 3 with your other hand. Let's count to see what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that the same as this number right here? It is, you're right. Now, what do you think addition sentences are going to look like based on this number sentence? Blank plus blank equals 8. That's right, we can use the numbers 5 and the number 3. 5 plus 3 equals 8. And what's a different way to write the same number sentence? That's right, we just switch these two numbers around. So now it should be 3 plus 5. Awesome. Now, let's do this one down here. Let me move the camera so you can see a little better. Great. It says circle 4. Great, let's count out 4 together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to draw a big circle around these 4 triangles. How many more does 4 need to make 8? Oh, and they didn't even give us anything this time, so we're gonna have to do some extra work. So we want to get to what number? That's right, we want to get to the number 8. That is the number that goes in the big equals part, because that is our goal. And how many did we circle? That's right, we circled 4. So we want to know, if we count on from 4, how many it will be until we get to 8. Let's try that together. Punch the ear and say 4. Now we're counting until we get to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? That's right, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want 4 to go in this blank right here, because we know that 4 and 4 together should make 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that the same number as this? It is, you're right. Now, what are 2 different ways that we can write this number sentence using these numbers right here? That's right, we can say 4 plus 4 equals 8. What's another way we can write this same number sentence? That's right, it was trying to trick us, but we won't be fooled because we can't really put this same number sentence backwards. It would be the same number sentence again. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Great. Thank you for helping me with that, friends. Stay tuned. We'll be right back with part 2 of our math lesson.